In the streets of Kufa, when the city slept, there was a man walking quietly through the darkness. Not a king, not a ruler surrounded by guards, but a leader carrying sacks of food on his own back. This was Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib. He would knock softly on the doors of orphans and widows. Sometimes he would cook for them. Sometimes he would play with the children, making them laugh. And they never knew who he was. To them, he was simply a kind man who cared. Until one morning the visit stopped. News spread across Kufa. Imam Ali had been struck with a poisoned sword while praying in the mosque. Only then did the orphans realize the man who fed them was their leader.